Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to disable the Action Center on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as if you want to disable the Action Center in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly right click, after click on personalize. Now click on taskbar. Now scroll down and here option turn system icons on or off. So click it. And here option Action Center. So if you want to disable, so slash toggle off position. This. If you want to enable, slash toggle on position. And if you want to disable, so slash toggle off position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable the Action Center in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.